In the reaction, this alcohol with this benzene plus CHCl3 plus NaOH, these reaction is electrophilic involved is. So we need to tell the electrophile involved in this reaction. In order to make this reaction happen, we need to add something in here which will balance this reaction and make it possible. So how? So if we recall the Reimer-Timer reaction, the electrophile is formed with dichlorocarbene, which is CCl2. According to the following Reimer-Timer reaction, we can say that CHCl3 plus OH minus, it is a two-side reaction, so Cl3 is formed and H2O is formed. So again, if we look at the CCl3, this CCl3 is CCl3 plus Cl minus. So from this we can say that dichlorocarbene will be very sufficient in order to use this electrophilic involved reaction. If we will add dichlorocarbene, and then this reaction can be simply formed using same clauses as in the Reimer-Timer reaction.